Now, when you log in, the first thing you're greeted with is this main home screen, and you can see the current price charts of popular cryptocurrency assets. The very first thing I want to do here is scroll down, and we're going to click on the See All button, and this is going to show some of the most popular cryptocurrency assets on Coinbase right now. And at the top here, you can click on Top Assets. It's going to show you what are the most popular at this point in time, and you can also click on Trending, and this will show you assets that are becoming popular and they are sort of up and comers. Now, I will say you have to be extremely careful with speculation in the crypto space because there is a high potential to lose a lot of money. Many of these projects are difficult to fully understand in terms of the backing and the legitimacy and things like that. There's actually only 3 crypto assets that I've personally had experience in and made money with. I'm going to share those with you at the end, but I would say that you're going to want to avoid speculating here. If you're looking to invest in something like Bitcoin or Ethereum, I would say over the long run that can be a wise decision. But as far as randomly picking altcoins and things like this, just be careful of speculation and only invest what you're willing to lose 100% of should things go south. For now, we're going to navigate here back to the watch list, and we're going to scroll all the way down and click on Explore More Assets just so we can see everything available. And what's cool here is you have options to sort the crypto assets, so we can sort them from market cap high to low. You can also look at the greatest price changes in the last 24 hours if you want to see what has been moving up a lot. Again, be careful here of speculation. And just to show you how things can go south, if we order this the other direction from low to high, we can see a bunch of cryptos that have had 100% losses. So that is possible in the crypto space. Don't think that you can only make money. In fact, most people are going to lose money when investing in random altcoins like this. If you go over here, we can toggle between all assets and the ones that are tradable on Coinbase. So not only is this a platform for trading, it's also a research and price quote platform. So a lot of people will just use it for tracking the prices of crypto assets. But if you're only interested in looking at the ones that you can actually trade, you can toggle this over to tradable. And now we're only looking at the tradable assets. So if we sort again here by price change high to low, these are going to be the crypto assets that you could trade either through the Coinbase exchange or the separate Coinbase wallet. So that can be a handy feature. But for now, we're just going to go back here to market cap high to low. And this shows us the largest crypto assets that are tradable through the Coinbase app.